Bitcoin market analysis through 5-2 signal recipe indicators. Those of you who watched our previous videos will remember this perfectly. A few days ago, the 5-2 signal recipe indicators flawlessly captured the whale buying activity on Binance and institutional buying on Coinbase. Following these signals, Bitcoin successfully broke through the top of the CME Gap block that had been acting as resistance at $121,065. During this breakout process, a new CME gap has formed in the $117,425 to $119,710 range, which currently remains 100% unfilled. For the current uptrend to continue, we need to see solid support holding within this critical zone. The 5-2 signal recipe market structure reversal signals indicator is currently showing short-term support at $118,829, which coincidentally sits right at the midpoint of this newly formed CME gap. This makes it an extremely important support level. If this level fails to hold, we should prepare for a potential decline back to the $115,057 area, that where we saw that strong whale and institutional buying activity just a few days ago. Given that $115,057 was where we witnessed such powerful buying pressure, we believe it would be difficult for price to break below this level unless we see some significantly negative news in the market. Looking at resistance levels, our short-term target sits at $124,545. After any short-term correction completes, make sure to watch whether Bitcoin can break through this resistance zone. Right now, you can implement these two powerful indicators on your charts. The first automatically detects CME gaps in real time and plots meaningful support and resistance levels directly on your charts. The second detects whale and institutional activity, providing you with clear signals when these major players are active in the market. Beyond these two, you'll discover many more sophisticated indicators in our collection. Please check out our TradingView account and website linked in the YouTube channel description for more information. If this video and these indicators helped you, likes and follows are basic courtesy.